How you doing, everybody? This is Kurt Henry at the Mortgage Center. We are mortgage brokers and we work with multiple banks and lenders just to get them to compete for you to get the best deal when you're getting a mortgage. And this is just a further update to the mortgage rule changes that were announced on Monday. My previous video earlier this week actually explains what those changes are. And banks and lenders are just now starting to figure out how they're going to implement these changes, and so there will be more announcements in the next few days on how that's going to happen. Right now, one of the key dates is October 17th. That is the date that the Government of Canada has made for insured deals. So that's somebody buying a house less than 20% down. They need an insured mortgage. And those mortgages will have to qualify at a rate of 4.64% going forward after October 17th. Now, it's not to say that's your actual interest rate, of course. If you get a 5-year fixed rate, if it's around 2.39%, that's your actual rate. It's just that you have to qualify at a higher rate of 4.64% as of October 17th. So, if you've been pre-approved previous to October 17th and you get an accepted offer on a house, for example, and you get a final mortgage approval before October 17th, you'll still be able to qualify based on the old rules. But if it's after October 17th, then you have to qualify on the new rules. Now, if you buy a place and you get the final mortgage approval before October 17th, and the closing date on that new house is after October 17th, then that should be fine. There will be more clarity that comes out on that, but to this point, it's the understanding is that it's okay if it closes after October 17th. And expect for different banks and lenders to come out with their own date, for them to say that they're going to accept applications on the old rules up to the 17th. May not be the case. They might say, we're going to accept applications up until the 14th or the 13th, or whatever the date is. So there will be more announcements in the next few days on that. Also, if you were pre-approved before or recently, it's not always that you get pre-approved for the maximum amount that you qualify for. So if that's the case, if you were pre-approved at a certain amount that wasn't necessarily your maximum purchase price, then this change might not have any impact on you. If you were pre-approved at the very maximum amount that you qualify for and you're doing less than 20% down, then this change can, of course, affect your pre-approval. So best thing to do is just to call the person that did your pre-approval or call us and we can give you some clarity on that. And if you were pre-approved with 20% down or more, then there might not be any change to your pre-approval. But again, just call the person that did your pre-approval or give us a call and we can give some clarity on that. One last thing I just want to mention is there's a lot of fear-mongering out there. I actually looked up the definition of fear-mongering, which is the action of deliberately arousing the public fear or alarm about a particular issue. And so fear-mongering can come from media, newspapers, TV, social media. My only advice to that is to just take it with a grain of salt. It's not all true information that you're getting. So best way to deal with it or to get correct information is to talk to a trusted advisor or give us a call, and we can certainly help out with that. And our phone number again is 905-436-8010. Thanks and have a great day.